Let's fill out the New Hampshire cat bill of sale together, so both sides walk away with clear, dated proof of the sale and the cat's details. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the cat. Add the name if it has one, then the breed, the sex, the date of birth, any registration or microchip number, the color, and the health condition. Specifics make a stronger record of exactly which animal changed hands. Now, the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once by check. Write the real price. A figure that does not match what actually changed hands leaves the buyer with weaker proof and can raise questions later. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Before you finalize your cat bill of sale, let's walk through what your state requires so you're fully prepared. First, age matters. Your cat must be at least 8 weeks old before any transfer can take place. Kittens younger than that cannot legally change hands. Next, your cat needs to be vaccinated before the transfer. Specifically, it must be protected against infectious diseases using a vaccine approved by the state veterinarian. This applies to both licensed sellers and private individuals. A health certificate is also required. It must be issued by a licensed veterinarian, and it needs to be dated within the prior 14 days. When the transfer happens, that health certificate must be handed directly to the buyer, along with any other documents you'd normally provide. If you're a pet vendor, you'll need a license before transferring any animals. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.